I think for starters, we've done almost 800 rentals on the Te Awa Cycleway, so I think it's fair to say sort of 18 months into our business venture, we're leading the way. My name's Dan Tairaki from Electrify NZ and also River Riders. We started back in September 2017, just a little marquee on the side of the river with a few bikes, and started renting them out for the Te Awa Cycleway. Like I said, we started off with a marquee, and on the side of the river we had no website, virtually no promotional marketing going at all, so it was pretty humble beginnings. We're doing the hard graft, basically out there on the cycleway, every weekend, setting up the marquee and the bikes, and just trying to capture people coming up and down the cycleway or driving down by the river, and it was pretty hard going. We were just like a net on the river, and if fish swam towards it, we'd catch them, otherwise no one knew we were there. We had no exposure really. Today's environment, not having a good website, a good online presence, and a well-built website with good support it's a fundamental part of every business. We knew in order to fulfill our vision to be the #1 bike hire business on Te Awa, that we needed to working on our online presence. I've known Raj for a long time, so I have a good relationship with the business owner. Always found him a really genuine guy to deal with, really dedicated. If I needed any support at all for other projects before River Riders, he was definitely a guy I could count on in regards to websites and social media and online marketing. I think for starters, we've done almost 800 rentals on the Te Awa Cycleway, so I think it's fair to say sort of 18 months into our business venture, we're leading the way. I'm pretty sure no one else has achieved those types of numbers, and we intend to continue to grow from there. I think one of the standout benefits of partnering with cloud media was just the instant results. Through the peak season, through summer, getting rentals coming in through the online portal, people commenting that how easy it was to book a bike with us, and that's all down to the work done by cloud media and back end. In a previous business that I had, Raj and the team at Cloud Media were building websites for all my customers back then, and I've continued to recommend them.